All right, guys, this is the very last step, the rough draft of the project. I've linked the template again here in case you need it again, but your paper should follow this pattern. You need your title page. We haven't created a title page yet, so here are your instructions for writing a title page. The title needs to be centered. You need to skip a line and write all of the authors' names. This is you and your teammates' names, not the authors of the articles that you wrote about. This is your name. Then it needs to be the institution and course name, my name, and the due date. So if you look at your outline, this is already done for you. You can replace this with your title, your subtitle, all of your names, the institution, course, instructor, and then the due date for this semester. It's already done for you. You don't have to change anything about the formatting, just fill in the information. Next, you're going to copy paste all of your work. If you haven't already been building inside of the template, if you've already been building inside of the template, you might be done. But you do want to give the body paragraph a once over. Make sure that you have transition statements between your paragraphs and that they all sound like it's all one smooth entity, that it doesn't abruptly change from one speaker to another. So you do need to make sure that you have transitions between your paragraphs and that your conclusion matches your thesis statement. Here is an example of a title page. And again, your paper should be a title page, abstract, then the body, which includes all of your team members' summaries, and last is the citations or the reference pages. Turn this in. Make sure that you're turning it in as a Word document. I will not accept PDFs or links or HTML. It has to be a Word document. I know that these are really convenient to share with each other, but you cannot share it with me. You need to download it as a Word document right here, and that is what you will be submitting to Blackboard. So remember, you cannot turn in links. Make sure that you are submitting it as a Word document. This will be graded as the content, and you're going to be graded all together. You will each receive the same grade no matter what. So this is your opportunity to make sure that your teammates are doing what they're supposed to be doing. Once you turn this in, I will have about a week to be able to evaluate it. Based on that evaluation, I will give you feedback, areas where you can improve, and if you are unhappy with your grade, you have the opportunity to turn in the last assignment, which is the final draft, the final project submission. Only turn in the final draft after you receive feedback from your rough draft, because this is your opportunity to make any corrections. If you're happy with your rough draft grade, then just go ahead and resubmit for the final project. But remember, there is only one attempt, so make sure, and I cannot accept it late, make sure that you turn this in on time and that it is the correct version of the document when you turn it in. Don't turn this in without evaluating your rough draft. The rough draft is your opportunity for improvement. So take the feedback from your rough draft and use it to make any final changes, and then submit for your final draft.